Hello, my name is Andrei Kulikov, and in this video I'd like to show you some experiments with the service ClearML. So this service is an open source platform that automates and simplifies the developing and imagining machine learning solutions. So here is the um, services of it, and I'll do two steps. I'll make some machine learning experiments on my own notebook and send the results of it in this service, and we shall see how it can be used for analyzing, for choosing the optimal model, and so on. Later I'll test some other steps, but it will be later. So I have a code. This is basic experiment with the classification of digits with MNIST collection. Okay, so how the console looks. I have to make my own project here. It is AVT1. Yes, I have no tasks here, and to make the connection to the service, I have to do the following: a new experiment, and it will give me some credentials that I will put in the console here. It's very simple, very simple, very simple. So let's start. I have code. First of all, some modules and models sklearn I'll use, and here is the project of ClearML, where I can put some tags and task names, and let's start. Okay, so I started. Let's wait. So it is making a new task. It shows me the digits. I'll show you later. Oh, it doesn't matter what it's doing. The goal of this video is to show how ClearML can be used, and it's great. So it's doing some jobs. It shows me the number. It tells me that it's 3, and it shows me a heat map of the dataset training, and it shows me different ways of learning, of different hyperparameters of KNN of K parameter in KNN algorithm. So what do I have in the results here in console? Yes, it shows me the data set parameters. It shows me different things of the data set. Its description, shape, images, and I can load the any parameter to ClearML console. So here I send digits. And when I open the console and experiment, I see that the experiment appeared here. And in this icon, in this page, I see digits. So here is the digits, yes? Digits, digits. I see here matrix. This is the matrix of KN of the model, yes? It's a common thing for machine learning. I see here a score. I see here some wrong result of predicting the numbers. So the model predicted 5, but it was 3. It is in the code. I'll put the link to it. It's a common thing. The test of Y, train of Y, I get here the different result of different estimators, CVS, scores, cross validation, can neighbor classifier. I see here, no, and Gaussian. Okay, no, this is not estimator. It is a cross validation result. I see here the score of k equal to 1, equal to 3, equal to 5, and so on. Why it is done? 1 second. Also, I can watch here the plots and the code of itself. So if I start it again with some different parameters of k in the KNN algorithm and so on, I'll get another model. So it will appear here now, and I can compare them and look for the best resultative model and know what code was used for that. It's a great thing for developing all these tasks. Again, so it's running, and I get here new plots, new artifacts, and they can differ, of course, and a new code if it is changed. So it's running, completed. So as for the code, what can I add? So it gives the plot of the digits, and as for plots, this is sent automatically to the ClearML, and as for the artifacts, I have to tell that please load the artifact object with this name, and it sends. So I use here kneighbor classifier. I save the model, but it didn't save the model here, because it's too simple, I suppose. Here it can work with TensorFlow, Keras, and so on. And maybe the information about models will be more complex with other algorithm, and here it's only description. Okay, I'll test it later, of course. Different features. So here is I send wrong result. I only it didn't send the number. If you remember, it was a 3 number. I suppose because this command is in the function. So I can send, what else? Some score, some confusion. I send the confusion matrix visualization. Yes. I send matrix score cross validation. I test different estimators. Here are they. Here I am in Self Manager. Estimators Gaussian, K-neighbor, and SVC. Gaussian, K-neighbor, and SVC. And the scores and of this estimator. And it sends the hyperparameters. And I can change it and compare. So I suppose that this is all for today. It's a very great service, and I'll test some other things with it. Thank you very much. Bye.